be able to insert a video in PowerPoint, you're going to click on insert. Then here you're going to see a lot of different options, but come to the end of this ribbon, you are going to see media. When you click on this, you're going to see three options here. So these are the three things you can insert when it comes to media. And in this case, we want to insert a video. So we can click on this. Then you can see three options. The first one allows you to insert videos from your computer or from other computers that you are connected to. The second one, this one allows you to insert stock videos. Then the third one, it allows you to find and insert videos from a variety of online sources. So these are the three ways that you can work with when it comes to inserting videos. But in this case, we want to insert a video from this computer. So we are going to click on the first option. And this is going to open a computer explore, file explore, where you can choose and locate the video that you want to use. In this case, there is this video here that I want to use. So I'll click on it, then I can click on insert. So just wait for it like that. You can see it. You can also play it from here. You can just click on this, then it's going to start playing. You can also resize it by just clicking on this handle here to just make it a little bit smaller. So you can position it properly here on this side. Maybe you want it to be centered here like so. So everyone, including people at the back, they can see what's in this video. This is simply how you can insert videos in PowerPoint. So if you have more questions about inserting videos in PowerPoint or anywhere else, computer related, especially in PowerPoint, or any PowerPoint questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.